for joining us for the Autumn Splendor educational event, where we have 16 YouTube channels with 16 premier lives offering 16 channel prizes and one mega $400 shopping spree giveaway. The event may be going live today, but you do have 12 days to watch all the videos, enter your guess at the secret phrase midnight, October 28th, and the winners of the channel prizes and the mega shopping spree will be announced on October 31st. Just go to our website and you'll see the link up there for the autumn event and the $400 shopping spree, and that's where you put in your secret phrase. Also, shameless advertisement, our new product, Vivid Intense Fluid Acrylic, yes, I said fluid acrylic, is going to be the channel prize this time. We're going to have a 12-piece starter set, and this is a brand new product that will be launching next week, and it's available in the starter set and individual 1 ounce and 4 ounce bottles. So once again, thank you for joining us, and I will see you on the other side. Bye.
Trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Well, this is a sneak peek of the new product we will be announcing next week, Vivid Intense Fluid Acrylics. Well, what are they? They're a highly pigmented, permanent color with a creamy consistency. Produced from light, fast pigments, they contain no fillers, no extenders. Vivid Intense Fluid Acrylics are ideal for pouring techniques, staining, brushing, and for spraying. Created for artists who want a low viscosity paint, Vivid Intense contains 5 to 6 times the pigment levels you find in normal paint, suspended in just enough acrylic to make it flow. Section 1. Bling It Pure Minerals. Mica minerals are available in varying particulate flake sizes and coatings from ultrafine to larger flakes. Here we have interference gold in an ultrafine powder, sparkle gold, which is a slightly larger flake, and diamond gold, which is an even larger flake. We also offer big Mica Moonrocks in the natural platinum, and here are a few of our Moonrock colors. We have 12 colors available on the website. Interference is a special translucent refractive coating that interferes with the light. It changes and shifts the way you see the colors. If you have 3 cups containing the identical amount of blue and mix one with interference violet, interference blue, and interference green, your eye will tell you they were 3 different colors. The interference coating alters the light, changing the colors that you see. In this test, we have interference violet, interference blue, and interference green mixed up in an acrylic base. Adding a few drops of Vivid Intense Cobalt Aqua will result in 3 different colors. Now let's try mixing the interference violet and blue with a little dioxazine violet. Section 2, Metallic Micas, Red, Gold, Copper, and Bronze. Iron oxide coating, commonly known as a metallic, is an opaque reflective coating similar to how a mirror reflects what it sees. In this test, we have Crimson Lust Red, Ember Fire Orange, and Indian Spice Gold brushed over black cardstock. Here are the same three metallic colors mixed up in an acrylic base: Crimson Lust, Ember Fire, and Indian Spice. Here I'm adding a few drops of the Vivid Intense Quinacridine Red, which intensifies and changes those three colors. Section 3, Bling It Color Coated Magic. There is another type of mica mineral with a semi-opaque coating that gives the illusion of color. For 25 years, the cosmetic industry has used it in eyeshadow and soap making. In the past 10 years, its more popular use was to add color to epoxy. And the past 5 years, the acrylic paint mixing industry has begun to use it for acrylic pouring. Some of the more familiar brands are Pearl-Ex, Eye Candy, Arteza, TLP, and Black Diamond, just to name a few. Many artists will add a dab of acrylic paint to add actual color to their mix. In this test, we have Parisian Lily, Meadow, Isadora, and Opalite being brushed on cardstock with a little bit of water. Let's test the Bling It Color Magic colors in resin. In the Parisian Lily, I added ultramarine blue. In the color called Meadow, I added phthalo blue green shade. In the Isadora, the yellow mica, I added Nicoazole gold, and in the Opalite, I added phthalo green. Just look how different those colors look. Vivid Intense really intensified the colors and completely changed them. The secret word is coming soon. And the secret words are as long. Up next, primary elements, our water-soluble dry paint system. For 23 years, ColourArte has been mixing water-soluble color and minerals together in this dry paint system blend known as primary elements. With the rise of color-coated micas being released to the market over the past 5 years, and the fact that our product is in a powder form, there's been a lot of confusion. Primary Elements is not a mica powder. It is a dry paint formulated to dissolve in water-soluble media. Those of you familiar with using our product know it will stain your hands just as any acrylic paint will. Here I'm taking jasmine, majestic blue, and cinnamon brown and just painting them on cardstock with a little bit of water. In this test, I'm adding the Vivid Intense Hansa Yellow Light to the Jasmine, Majestic Blue, and Cinnamon Brown mixed up in the acrylic base. Notice how the jasmine turns into a bright, brilliant peach color. Wow, that Hansa yellow really turned that majestic blue into a stunning teal. I felt I needed to add a few more drops of the yellow to the cinnamon to warm it up into an autumn brown color. I want to thank you for joining us at our Autumn Splendor event. If you've enjoyed this content, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Next up, our fabulous artist, Tiffany Remjin.